Yes. Hello, student. So we'll see the topic that is classification of transducer, right? So in this particular topic, or the question may be for 4 marks or 6 marks in the examination. So you need to remember only the types of transfer or transducer along with the exampling, right? So the classification of transducer are depends on based on the energy or the source requirement, based on the physical phenomenon, based on its output, based on the transduction phenomenon, and based on the consumption. So we will see one by one. See here. Based on the energy source requirement, there are two types: active transducer and passive transducer. ये वर्ड में ही उसका मीनिंग है जो मैं आपको बाद में बताने वाला, राइट? So based on the physical phenomenon, primary transducer and secondary transducer. So why it is primary and why it is secondary, that also I'm going to tell you later on. Based on its output, analog transducer, digital transducer. So based on the transduction phenomenon, transducer and inverse transducer, right? Based on the construction, mechanical transducer, electrical transducer and optical transducer. सो ये जो वर्ड्स है ना, एक्टिव, पैसिव, प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, एनालॉग, डिजिटल, इसके वर्ड में उसका उस ट्रांसड्यूसर का मीनिंग है दैट वी विल सी वन बाय वन. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट इज व्हाट द एक्टिव ट्रांसड्यूसर एंड passive transducer. So what is the meaning of active word? Active transducers are the transducer which do not use any external power for measurement of process variable. मतलब एक ऐसा ट्रांसड्यूसर जिसका मेजरमेंट करने के लिए आपको किसी भी एक्सटर्नल पावर की जरूरत नहीं होती है, उसको बोला जाता है एक्टिव, इसलिए तो उसको एक्टिव बोला है. सो व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल? थर्मोकपल, थर्मोपाइल्स, piezoelectric crystal, photovoltaic cells, etc. Right? In examination, you need to write only definition and one or two example. This one. What is passive transducer? The passive transducer are those transducer in which external power source is required for their operation, for their measurement. And what are the example? RTD, thermistors, strain gauge. These are the example of the transducer for the passive transducer. Now next is what? The primary, based on the physical phenomenon, primary and secondary transducer. So what is primary transducer? Yes, primary transducer is the first element which is directly exposed to the process variable to be measured, that senses the physical changes or any changes in its surrounding and produces an equivalent functional output. Okay, and which is detected by the next stage or the second stage. इसे बोला गया है primary transducer. Okay, so what are the example? Liquid filled thermometer and manometer are the primary transducer. What about secondary? Secondary transducer is basically a second stage in which measurement system which detects a mechanical or physical change produced by the primary sensing element and it converts or manipulates into the electrical signal music. Okay. So this is called as a secondary transducer. Some example are the LVDT, piezoelectric crystal. Right? Now, next is what? Analog and very simple. Analog and digital transducer. So what is analog and digital transducer? Analog transducer is a transducer which produces output signal in the analog form. It is called as analog transducer. Examples are the LVDT, thermistor, RTD, and thermocouple. And what about digital transducer? Digital transducer is a transducer which provides output इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल इन द डिजिटल फॉर्म, मतलब आउटपुट डिजिटल फॉर्म में देता है, उसको बोला गया है डिजिटल फॉर्म. व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल? शाफ्ट एनकोडर, लिमिट स्विचेस, प्रेशर स्विच, डिजिटल टैकोमीटर एक्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? द ट्रांसड्यूसर एंड इनवर्स ट्रांसड्यूसर. यस, ये किसके टाइप है? ट्रांसड्यूसर एंड इनवर्स ट्रांसड्यूसर बेस्ड ऑन द ट्रांसडक्शन फिनोमेनन, राइट? This one. So what is transducer? When considering transduction phenomenon, transducers are the device which will convert non-electrical physical process variable into variable being measured into the electrical signal. मतलब non-electrical quantity conversion electrical में, इसे बोला गया transducer, right? And what about inverse transducer? Is defined as a device which is used to convert electrical quantity such as voltage, current into the non-electrical, such as a displacement, force, pressure and temperature. इसको बोला गया है inverse transducer. जब electrical to non-electrical, non-electrical to electrical, electric to non-electric को inverse transducer and non-electric to electric को normal वाला transducer. Okay, and last is what? The mechanical transducer. Mechanical transducer Okay. So next is what? You are the mechanical transducer. So mechanical transducer is what? Mechanical transducer is what? Are the set are Mechanical transducer are a set of primary sensing element that responds for the change in the physical quantity with mechanical output. Very important, mechanical output such as displacement, force, pressure, and strain. Okay. The examples are diaphragm, bellow, manometer, bimetallic strip, etc. What about electric transducer? इसके word में ही उसका meaning है. It's specified as a sensing device which is used to detect or sense a non-electrical physical quantity or the magnitude and convert into the electrical output. That is important. Electrical output. Okay. Such as voltage or current. Examples: potentiometer, LVDT, RTD, thermocouple, and so on. Right? Now, ऑप्टिकल ट्रांसड्यूसर व्हाट आर द ऑप्टिकल ट्रांसड्यूसर मतलब उसका मतलब क्या है ऑप्टिकल ट्रांसड्यूसर मीनिंग ऑप्टिकल ट्रांसड्यूसर आर बेस्ड ऑन द ऑप्टिकल ट्रांसडक्शन light signal and rays and utilize optical properties for measurement and analysis. Okay. Mostly optical transducer converts light and rays into the electric quantity. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.